Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to do a quick little overview on my brand new pool skimmer basket I just bought. The one to the left is brand new, and the one to the right, you can see it's all discolored and cracked. If you want to check out some brand new pool skimmer baskets, just check out the links I provide in the description below. But I'm going to do a quick little overview on the measurement and show you the functionality. When buying a replacement skimmer basket, it's best to measure your existing skimmer basket, or you can actually measure all the diameters and measurements inside. So the lip of inside the skimmer, how deep it goes, and how wide the base is as well. So I have the measuring tape here. The outer diameter is about 8 1/4. Inner diameter is about 7 3/8. And then let's see here, the top part to the bottom is about 5 inches. Call it 5 1/8. And then the bottom diameter is about 5 3/4. So this is the old skimmer basket. This one is all worn out. As you can see, it's cracked right over here. I have this one for about 5 years now. And if I were to use this one, a lot of debris would get behind the corners there. So if I drop this in, for one, it's not weighted, so you actually have to wait until you turn the pool pump, so it'll suck it down. As you can see here, it's not really a perfect fit at all. And then it has a gap there, and it got cracked over here. So this newer one I bought is great because it has a handle to it, and also it'll fall straight down because of the weight. It has a weight in the very center there. So I didn't even push it down, it already fell right down in the center there because of that little weight right there. And you can also push this down like so, and you can modify it, and it'll still catch leaves and everything, but if you want to catch finer sediment, you can actually put a skimmer basket pool sock on it like I have on this one. So this is the same exact skimmer basket as this one is, but this one has a pool sock over it. So you can see how it catches a lot more finer debris. I'll go ahead and turn the pool pump on. I usually try to prime it and turn it on one time, and then turn it off. And turn it back on one more time. You can see it's starting to flow really good now. And you want to wait until it's fully primed up and all the air is out of the system. You'll see this water start to fill up. So the pump's all ready to go. Let's go check on the skimmer. So the skimmer is doing its job, and as you can see here, there are fine debris that are not getting caught up in the skimmer basket because this is mainly for big debris, but it does a really great job of capturing like leaves and bigger objects. So I'm gonna take this, take it out. Did capture a few little things here and there. So now I'll drop the one with the pool sock in it, and you can see that it'll do a much better job of capturing all the debris. So as you can see right here, compared to this one, it actually contours the whole diameter, and there's nothing getting past it, and all the finer, smaller debris are getting sucked into the pool sock there. So as you can see here, if I use just the basket by itself, it wouldn't be able to catch all these little bugs and fine debris. I'll try to zoom in here so y'all can see all the stuff floating at the very top of the surface, but it's also getting down into the pool sock so it can capture it. And then whenever I lift this thing up, I can either rinse it off and recycle that pool skimmer sock, or I can put a brand new one on there. So the pool sock definitely does a good job of capturing the smaller debris, and if you just want to use this, it's great for, you know, larger debris, but the smaller stuff is going to pass through if you leave it this way. But this will capture a lot of small items and big items, like that leaf that you just saw right there. And as you can see there, the leaves get captured and the small fine debris as well. So hope you all can see how that works there. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about any kind of pool type questions or anything about maintenance or tools that I use to maintain my pool, definitely leave them in the comment section below. But I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on the pool skimmer basket. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.